Hello, and what's going on? Some somber news, obviously. As you could see, Google 12,000, Meta another 11,000, Amazon 10,000, Microsoft 10,000, Amazon again, Booking.com. I mean, all of these companies are starting to laying in thick. Now, so why is it that we're not seeing those numbers in the unemployment, which is still very low at 3.6%? Well, it's simple. Is that these are announcements, right? They haven't fired those people yet. That's going to happen. And when it happens, you're going to see in the numbers, and then things are going to start to look dicey. Remember, all of the indicators are kind of backward looking. This is forward looking. That is what you're going to be expecting. Now, why is Google, Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft are doing it? Well, frankly, they were hired and they hired a lot of people, during COVID. You don't see Apple in there, right? Like Apple was a lot more conservative. But the point is, this is going to hit, right? We're finally going to see the impact of high rates on tech companies. And we haven't seen that in a while. Why? Because rates weren't that high before, but now it's happening. So please be wary of this. Now, should you be concerned for your job? Well, it depends what they've done in the past, right? If they've done a lot of hiring, and I'm talking like 50%, 60% increases in employees, then you should be worried, right? So start to look around, start to think about the possibility, have at least a year worth of income on hand. Also, what we're noticing is that it's taking longer for you to get a job even though the unemployment looks low, but don't be fooled, this is just a backward looking numbers. And with the ISM being at less than 50, what do you think that means? That usually means recession. So recession is coming. So what? Well, essentially, if you got higher rates and rates are going to keep going up, and you've got EPS going down because of recession, stocks have got to come down. That is the truth. So we're not out of the woods yet. Be careful.